Welcome to this lesson on calculus. Today, we are going to explore the connection between a function's graph and its derivative. Specifically, how to determine if a function is increasing or decreasing just by looking at the sign of f prime of x. Let's start with a simple visual. Imagine the graph of a function is a hill you are hiking on. If you are walking up the hill, your elevation is rising, so the function is increasing. If you are walking down, your elevation is dropping, meaning the function is decreasing. It is that simple. Now recall what the derivative tells us. The derivative, f prime of x, represents the slope of the tangent line at any specific point. If we draw a tangent line, its steepness and direction give us the exact rate of change at that moment. Here is the first major rule. If the tangent line slopes upward, the slope is positive. Therefore, if the derivative f prime of x is greater than 0, the function itself must be increasing at that point. It is rising as we move to the right. Conversely, if the tangent line slopes downward, the slope is negative. This leads to our second rule. If f prime of x is less than 0, the function is decreasing. It is falling as we move to the right. What happens in between? If the derivative is exactly 0, the tangent line is horizontal. These are often turning points, like the peak of a mountain or the bottom of a valley, where the function switches from increasing to decreasing or vice versa. To summarize, a positive derivative means the function is going up. A negative derivative means it is going down. And a zero derivative usually indicates a temporary flat spot or a turn. This relationship is the key to analyzing graphs without plotting every single point. So, how do we solve problems? First, find the derivative. Second, set it to 0 to find the critical points. Third, place those points on a number line to create intervals. Finally, test a random number inside each interval to see if the result is positive or negative. Let's try an example with the function f of x equals x squared minus 4x. The derivative is 2x minus 4. Setting that to 0 gives us x equals 2. If we pick a number less than 2, the derivative is negative, so the function is decreasing. If we pick a number greater than 2, the derivative is positive, so it is increasing. That covers the basics of increasing and decreasing functions. Remember, just check the sign of the derivative. Positive is up, negative is down. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.